Hello, Angus here, and today we're going to review the Rolling Square InCharge XL, which is a 2 meter long cable for your phone, for your MacBook, for your electronics. That's actually really cool. It's got some really cool features. So it comes in this beautiful little brown box, and if we open this here, we're going to just let the contents spill out. So we've got this rubber case where the cable is hiding. We've also got this thing that when I first got this, I had no idea what this was, but I'll show you what this is in a second. This is actually really cool. But let's show you the cable first. So it comes in this rubber case. So if you're carrying this in, like, say, your rucksack, it's gonna keep it nice and tidy, it's gonna keep it in a nice place, and it's gonna keep it clean because it is a kind of fabric cable. And then we spew it out of there. And just in case you're wondering, it's fairly easy to get back in there as well. So pop that to one side. This is the cable. I got this in a very boring black color. I mean, it's very nice, it's very premium, but it is boring compared to my my smaller version of this. So you got this Rolling Square tie-on band here, which is actually attached to the cable head. So this is just all cable. We'll let that all disappear off there. And so that's 2 meters or 6'5" long. And this is the cable here. So you got this protective rubber cap here. You pop that off. So that's your little band to keep it nice. This is your cable cover. You can screw that out of the way. These two bits are held together with a magnet, which is very cool. So you got USB, oh, giving away the surprise. You got USB-A there, the old school USB, and you got Lightning here, but all the phones are switching over to USB-C. So you got USB-C, and a lot of the plugs now are becoming USB-C. So they're all USB-C, which is cool. So you've got so many combinations. You've got USB-C to Lightning. You plug this in down here into your, into your main supply, and imagine this is your desk. And this little thing here sticks onto the table. Let's see if I can get it on here. So that sticks onto the table there, and you just clip that there. So that's stuck there permanently on your desk. You're just typing away on your keyboard. Oh, I need to charge something, plug it into my phone, plug it into my MacBook, which is super cool. And it's also got like a little cable tidy. It can hold it down like that. But I like this magnetic holder. I mean, and you can also like stick that to a wall. So it's on the wall, you take that off, ready to go, put it away, keep it nice and tidy. That's nice for an extra feature that you weren't expecting. That rubber case is nice for an extra feature you were not expecting. Hey, sorry to interrupt, but just to let you know, there's a massive 20% off anything on the Rolling Square website with my discount code and my link. The link is below, the code is Angus Logan. You've got awesome things like this, the Edge Pro, the mini InCharge cable. That cable is plenty long, which is super cool. And then it just tidies up so easily and so nicely. And that's it just wrapped up nice and small if you want to take that with you or you're traveling. And this sort of features, that kind of premium features, just keeps things really nice, keeps things together. And pop that in there, and then chuck that in your backpack. You got a bit of protection with the rubber, plus it's easy to locate in your rucksack or your bag. That's the Rolling Square InCharge XL, the bigger cable. Is this something you want? Is this something you need? What do you think? Let me know in the description box, and I'll check you guys in another review, in another video. Angus out.